Welcome back viewers. In the course now we have to check the progress of this keyword. I created a few backlinks, like 7 to 8 backlinks for this keyword, Canon M5 versus M6 review, and then I waited for 2 to 3 weeks. So Google has indexed some backlinks, and now we'll check the progress of this keyword. Before creating the backlinks, we checked this keyword using this tool Ahrefs and also Google Search Console, and it was on the 3rd page of Google for the US search engine, and it was like it had a position of 28. So now this is our complete keyword, Canon M5 versus M6 review. So what we can do, we can just copy this URL from the top and go to the Site Explorer here and add this one and go to check this here. Right now you can see 9 URL rating, 1 DR, 5 backlinks already indexed, 2 referring domains. Some of the backlinks have not been picked by this search engine, and 19 keywords, which is huge, 12 organic traffic from Google, which is great. So if I click organic keywords, you can see there are many keywords in the US ranking, and the ranking is improving very dramatically. You can see all the keywords are getting improved. For the UK we have 5 keywords, the Canada and Singapore, Indonesia. So the thing is, now that we know it is getting better with every passing day, let's go to this Google Search Console. You can see I have selected the property cameralist.com, and here 47 clicks, 4,750 total impressions, CTR is 1, average position is 54, and this is a huge improvement, guys, after 1.5 months. Like before we just started collecting the clicks, but now we are regularly getting clicks from search engines for different keywords. And let me tell you guys, this website is now making money after 2.5 months. This website is now making money through Amazon affiliate links, because I have added Amazon affiliate links to different articles. That is a great success for me and for this course as well. So let me come down here to show you the keywords. Before I checked this website, there were only 49 keywords here on Google search engine. Right now you can see there are 558 total keywords in Google for our website. I mean different keywords on different positions. But let's check the average position and then sort it out from top. So here you can see we have different keywords on different positions, but this one, Canon M5 versus M6 review, was 28 before. Now it is 16. So what we're gonna do, simply we will copy this keyword and open up a new page, a new actually an incognito window, because there is no browsing history, there is no search history in the incognito one. That is why we have to use this incognito window. So let me put that keyword and scroll down here, guys, and I will show you this result here. You can see, but this result is for Canada. Okay, so for Canada, if we add this keyword, let me go to select a different country. I have targeted this keyword for Canada, UK, US and Australia. So United Kingdom, let's select that one. So for United Kingdom, you can see this website cameralist.com, and our article is on the first page. This is the first page. Okay guys, and congratulations guys, the keyword is on the first page. You can check this keyword, Canon M5 versus M6 review. This keyword you can check on the UK search engine, Google UK engine, and you will see this on the first page. While if we check it for the US, it should be improved there as well. So let's click the United States, and here let me see It's not on the first page, but it's on the second page here. The position is like 15 to 16. If I remove this one, review, and then I check it for the US, now I can see it here. Oh, on the same position. Okay, so this is the keyword I got, like it has been improved, you know, but I got other keywords which are on the first page, like this one for example. So some keywords are already on the first page of Google from my site, which is just 2.5 months old. So here I can show you, this is the web, this is our article, guys. This is our site cameralist.com, and the article is really on the first page of Google for the US search engine. This is on the first page of US Google, also the UK Google search engine, in Canada, in Australia. So what we need to do is now to bring this one to the first page of actually of Google on different search engines like the US, UK, Canada. This is already on the first page of UK search engine. We can just go and edit this post because this is 1.5 month old. So we can just go edit this, update it with new content, some new content, 1 or 2 paragraphs, and then publish it. So after publishing, the date will be changed to the updated one, and that will also help this article getting more better positions in Google, because Google likes fresh content. They're always looking for fresh content, and this is one of the factors, one of the ranking factors. That is why we can do that as well. But overall, I'm happy with the positions and with the progress. I'm satisfied because SEO is, you know, a slow game. It takes time to get ranking for different keywords in Google, and we are doing fine. Our site is just 2.5 months old. We are getting regular clicks, our keywords are improving, and some of the keywords are already ranking in Google on the first page. So we have to keep going, keep improving, and keep creating more backlinks, so we'll get more ranking in Google. And I hope you are also doing great with your sites, with your articles, and you're ranking your keywords using same strategies or slightly different strategies. And I hope you the best, and I will see you in the next section.